Alright guys, let's have one-on-one conversation. In this channel, I teach you guys more about forex trading, how to be successful, and break everything down to your understanding. So now let's talk. Right, have you ever stared at your screen or at your chart, watching your trade go red and thought, right, maybe trading just isn't for me? Right, if that is you, trust me, a lot of professionals that you see today has been there. In fact, there were times I almost gave up on trading completely because I do blew up account upon account and over leverage, no risk management, and let emotions ruin what could have been profitable strategy. But here is the truth: what separates winning traders from losing traders isn't luck or even a magical strategy. It's habits, the daily routine, the mindset shift, consistent actions. That is what changes the game. Today I want to share with you the top 5 habits that completely transformed my trading journey. This isn't just a tips you hear in passing or anywhere. These are habits I personally lived through, tested, and seen results from. I'm understood if you commit to them, they can change your trading game forever. So possibly grab something and sit tight and watch the video to the very end. If you find value in the video, don't forget to smash the like button, drop comment below, and share the video with your loved ones. And I'm also inviting you to my trading community where I teach and update you guys about forex trading. And not just that, if you want one-on-one mentorship, the link is also at the description. Join my mentorship class and let's meet at the other side. For that being said, let's jump right into it. Habit number 1: keep a trading journal. When I started trading, I thought I could rely on memory. I do take a trade, win or lose, and just move on just like that. But the problem is I wasn't learning anything. I was just repeating the same mistakes week after week. And one day, right, I met a trader in a forum who said something that stuck with me till today: if you don't track your trades, right, you are gambling and not trading. And that hit so hard. So I started keeping a journal. At first, it felt like extra work, writing down why I entered and how I felt, you know, that kind of feelings. It seemed unnecessary really, but after a month, I flipped back through my notes and I saw a pattern I never noticed before. Every time I traded right, after losing, I over leveraged instead, and I lost again. Like, you make $100 and you lost again, then you try to make it again, you still lost again. That was emotional revenge trading, and I couldn't deny it anymore. Right now, my trading journal is my mirror. It shows me the truth. It helped me cut out bad habits, improve my entries, and stay accountable. And the best part of it is that over time it became a treasure chest of lessons I could always come back to. Now, if you are not keeping a trading journal right now, right, start today. This will possibly help you, and this will change your trading journey forever, even if it's just a notebook or an Excel sheet, because the market leaves clues, right, but you will only see them if you record your journey. I'm understood. Now, habit number 2: risk management first, then profit second. I'll be honest with you in this video, right, and that's why you need to smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share the video. This was the hardest shift for me. Like most traders, I used to chase profits. I do ask myself, how much can you make on this trade, instead of how much am I willing to lose? Now, that mindset nearly destroyed me. I blew up multiple accounts, profit accounts, just because I ignored risk management. But the turning point came when I read about professional traders who survived decades in the market. Do you know what they all had in common? They protect their capital like it's gold. I understood the risk small, they let probability work for them. So I built a rule: I never risk more than 1 to 2% of my account on any single trade. I understood. At first it felt slow, small wins didn't excite me, and I was tempted to go big. But when the losing strike came, I survived it. Why? Because I didn't blow up my account, and that gave me the chance to keep trading, keep learning, and eventually grow consistently. Here is the truth: profits are the reward for surviving long enough. If you flip your mindset and think like risk manager first, you will automatically trade like a pro. Now, habit number 3: stick to a trading plan. Imagine driving to a destination without GPS. You might eventually get there, but you will waste time, fuel, and probably end up frustrated. Now, trading without a plan is the exact same thing right? Some months ago, I jumped between strategies, scalping one week, swing trading the next. I was chasing signals, indicators, even random YouTube strategies. But the results, man, my account balance looks like a roller coaster. Everything changed when I wrote down my first trading plan. It included my entry rules, risk limits, time frames, and even my exit strategy. Suddenly, trading became less emotional. I wasn't guessing anymore. I was following a process. I remember one trade where my plan said, "Don't enter unless this level breaks." My impatient side wanted to jump in early, but I heard back. Guess what? The market faked out and revised. That single decision, right, saved me from a big loss, right? All because I trusted the plan. I'm understood. Now, the market is very, very chaotic, but your trading plan is your anchor. Without it, I'm telling you, you will be tossed around by fear and greed. With it, you will have structure, discipline, and consistency. Now, habit number 4, mastering emotions through patience. This habit was the most personal battle for me. I'm understood. You see, trading isn't just numbers and charts, it's emotionals. Fear, greed, impatience, they all sneak in and control you if you let them, right? I used to chase trades because I was afraid of missing out, right? I do close trade too early because I was scared to lose unrealized profits. My emotions were in charge. Now my account paid the price really. The breakthrough moment came when I forced myself to wait. I do mark my setup, and if the market didn't meet my conditions, right, I do simply walk away. Now at first it felt like torture, right? But slowly I learned patience. I realized that the best trade don't come every day, right? They come to those who wait. Now, before I enter any trade, right, I ask myself, am I entering because of my plan or because of my emotions, right? That simple question has saved me countless times. Patience isn't just a habit, right? It's a weapon. It keeps you from over trading. It helps you ride winning trade longer, and it gives you control over the market instead of market controlling you. Now, habit number 5, continuous learning and adaptation. Market is always changing. Strategies that worked last year might not work this year. News events, global shifts, technology, they all shape how price move. Once I found the perfect strategy, I do be set for life, but reality humbled me quickly. The strategy I relied on, right, stopped working, and I was left confused. That's when I adapted the mindset of a student. I started reading books, taking courses, and following market news. More importantly, I started reviewing and adapting my strategy instead of clinging to it blindly. Now, one time I noticed my strategy performed poorly, high volatility news event. Instead of complaining, I adjusted, right? I avoided trading around those times, and instantly my win rate improved. Now, I see trading as an endless journey of learning. Every loss is a feedback, every win is data, and every day is a chance to grow, right? The more you adapt, right, the longer you survive. And survival is a true path to success. Those are the 5 habits that change my trading game. Now, keeping a trading journal, risk management first, profit second, stick to trading plan, and mastering emotion through patience. Now, number 5, continuous learning and adaptation. Now, I want you to pause for a minute. Which of these habits would you like to work on most? Now, drop it at the comment section, smash the like button if you find value, and subscribe, share the video with your loved ones, join my Telegram community, and if you want me to mentor you like one-on-one mentorship, the link is also at the description.